And welcome to Try It Out with Miss Foot Fixer. In this video, I will be trying out this foot product from I.B.N. Yes, it is from I.B.N, not from I.B.M. N for November or N for nobody cares. In the end of this video, I'll be rating it 1 toe for being really bad or 5 toes for being it's amazing. Hope you guys enjoy. Bye. So here we have some really heavy callus on the foot. What we're going to do is scrape it all off, and then we're going to use the electrical file from I.B.N to smooth down the skin. Hopefully it's going to be amazing. You tell me if it hurts, okay?
Okay.
Is that the highest? Yes, it is the highest. It is the highest. It is very awkward to use, to be honest.
Maybe it's slow.
No?
Press it down slowly then.
I'm worried about heating it up. It's not too hot, is it?
No.
No, okay. It seems like it's better.
Actually, I don't feel any heat.
Yeah. Okay. it working better? Hello everybody. So after using the device on several of my patients, I find that this device was okay. Unfortunately, it did not have enough spin, it didn't have enough power, and it didn't have enough grit to make the toe very, very smooth. Based on this fact, and this very, very important fact of more energy spent, more time spent, unfortunately, I would give this 1 toe out of 5 toes. Maybe if you had really mild callus and all the time in the world, you could use it, but in a professional setting, definitely no. And for people with heavy callus, definitely no. Have a wonderful day, guys. Bye.